It's like, psst, psst. Let's go check it out. Here are some other noises. Snail moves faster than my channel. My videos don't get views because... What's that? Hopefully the rain will stop, guys. I wanna... What was that? Are you kidding me? What the heck was that, guys? Something moving over there. What's that? What was that? Something don't want me in there, guys. Did you hear that? Let me know if you see anything. Whoa! Trees are down, look at that. This is all blocked, you can see that or not. I keep hearing something down there. It's all blocked off. The birds. Oh shit! Are you kidding me? Holy crap! Are you kidding me? Not this again, guys. I'm telling you, there's something back there. That snail moves faster than my channel. Then I get watch time. What was that, guys? Alright guys, I'm out of here. Maybe I'll come back tonight, I don't know. See you then.